तो सुनील जी, आप ये बताइए कि आप शादीशुदा हैं?
Yes, I'm married. I'm married from last 1 year.
So, have you planned for any shopping for your home appliances?
Yes,
Anything
no.
you have done in past?
Yes, I used to do before also. See, before marriage also, I went for this. I went to buy refrigerator, TV along with my father, and again, as I'm shifting away with my wife, so again I need to do all the shopping all together. And even a few days back, I went back to Gorakhpur, and there also I went to see refrigerator and microwave.
So, what are the features you consider before buying any appliances? Suppose you are going for refrigerator. So, what are the main features you will select?
See, normally for me, we have like 4 or 5 prominent brands. Like we have Videocon, we have Godrej. So when I go to see any like TV or refrigerator, I normally see that whether they are from a branded company or not. And after once I see that okay, there are 4 or 5 branded appliances which are available, I will see that what are the features into the TV or refrigerator. So yeah, last week when I went to Gorakhpur to see this refrigerator, I had Samsung, LG, and I believe Videocon. So I asked what are the features in all the 3 different refrigerators with the salesman. I took a brochure, and when I came back to my house again, I analyzed whatever salesman has told. So though till now I haven't decided which refrigerator I would take, but as for me, brand name is most important, and that too I don't differentiate within top 4 or 5 brands. I don't differentiate within 4 or 5 brands. I usually go with any one of the brands which has the feature which I am looking for.
So basically, which features, if you rank some of the features for refrigerator, which features you will rate as the first, second, third?
See, normally if we go to buy a refrigerator, nowadays first thing is, freshness is the main important thing. So if they have some unique technology which provides us better freshness of the vegetable, that will be the primary thing. If we talk about second thing, then obviously nowadays electricity consumption is a major problem. So nowadays we have star rated with the refrigerator, like they are 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. So I would like to go with the refrigerator which consumes low electricity and at the same time which provides higher warranty. So I don't want to like a refrigerator hardly costs around 10,000, 15,000 or 20,000. So I would not like to disturb myself with this 15,000 if at all refrigerator something happens to the refrigerator. So I would like the service quality to be absolutely perfect.
So these are the technical aspects. So what about physical appearance? How much it's influence to you?
Yeah, obviously, if I am buying a refrigerator and if I am placing the refrigerator in my house, I would like, if someone comes to see it, I would like him to say that your refrigerator is good. So for that, for him, physical appearance is the main important thing, and for me also, then by going by that factor, physical appearance is the main important thing. So again, if we see that whether it's a twin door or whether it's a single door, what is the height and all that, and again if you try to see, we will definitely go with the color of the wall and again the refrigerator color.
So for your after marriage, have you purchased refrigerator?
No, till now no, since I told
So
that.
which color whether it's a color creates any special influence to you?
Yeah,
Or?
definitely yes. If my personal preference, I will go with the blue color. But
Okay.
again, till now, since I haven't moved into my new house, I need to see what color and all that, and what refrigerator matches with the surrounding of that house.
Okay. So surrounding of the house also matters while
Yes,
choosing
yes,
colors.
definitely.
Okay. So the similar way, can you define the features which give you buying decisions for washing machine, microwave, and AC?
Yeah, for if we talk about washing machine, right now I have the semi-automated, which
Okay.
my father got almost like 5 4 years, 4 5 years back. But now when we see this washing machine, there are fully automated washing machines, and the one I I have in my house is semi-automated. So there is a huge difference between semi-automated and fully automated. Nowadays, I don't think people will like to go for the semi-automated washing machines, since as you know that in fully automated we just need to drop the clothes and everything, each and everything will be done by the washing machine itself. So first criteria will be fully automated. Second criteria will be how much programming I can do into the this washing machine. Third will be like durability, obviously, and fourth will be again we would like to what is the size dimensions of the washing machine, since it need not be bulky, it has to be smaller and again compact. So this is about this washing machine. Okay, then coming back to
Wait a minute.
yeah.
So washing machine, some of the features like it's depends on the usage, how much clothes it comes in
Yes,
kgs
right.
and wattage, what are the motor speed. So won't you consider these things in
Yeah,
your?
definitely. That's why I was saying, you know, that whether the size of the washing machine will be the major factor.
Okay.
So size is directly proportional to the liters what we are going to buy. So if suppose for me I usually wash clothes in week or 10 days. So for me it has to be around 14 point something liter washing machine, so that I can put 7, 8 or 9 clothes at a time. But for someone who wash clothes every alternate day, for him a smaller washing machine can do.
So here also you go for brand and others parameters. Washing
Yes.
machine. So can you tell me something about microwave or AC?
Again, I will not be able to tell the exact technical specifications, but I mean, from a normal consumer point of view, I will be able to tell what I will look for into the microwave and AC. If we start with AC, nowadays there are AC like this Tata company is providing one AC where it's all weather
Voltas.
AC, all weather,
Voltas.
Voltas, all weather AC. So we can use that AC in summer as well as in the winter, and the third thing in rainy season also, to reduce the
Correct.
humidity. So definitely I would like to go for AC which is used throughout the year, not with the AC which is only used into this summer. Then again star rated, if you see
Correct.
5-star rating and all that. Another thing is like window AC and split AC. So people who are living in normally apartments and all that, I mean, they will go for split AC because of the space and window and all that. But people who have their own bungalow and all that, they normally go for this window AC. For me, split AC. Then again, we normally consider 1.5 ton or 110 AC. Then if it's normal bedroom, 110 AC will do. But if it's a hall and all that, we need to go for 1.5 or 2. So again, if you see the same criteria as I said, that brand will not be an issue for me. Top 5, 6, any brand will do. But again, after service, I would like to see then this price, obviously it will be a factor, and what features it is providing.
So similar for the microwave as well.
Yeah, again, for microwave also, as I saw, there were two different categories. One was below 5,000 and other was between 5 to 10. So if you talk about 5 to 10, it provides all the facilities. But if you talk about 5 to just 3, 4 or 5,000, it were some specific functionalities it was not providing. But when I see a investment, I will not like if something is available for 5,000 and I'm getting some extra benefits into a 7,000 microwave, I will definitely go for 7,000. I will not think about 2,000 because it's almost like one time investment in 2 years or so.
So you have told me like you first go for the top 5, 6 brands, whatever. So among those brands, where you will rate Godrej as a brand?
Yeah, again, as I said, I am not particular about this top.
Yeah.
I don't differentiate
No,
either
just
between.
just for your perception, where it exists. From
Again,
your.
it's good as far as me. Features, if I'm going to buy a refrigerator and Godrej is providing the features which I am looking for, I will definitely buy Godrej. And if it's not providing the features which I am looking for, I will not buy Godrej. So that is my decision criteria.
Okay. So suppose you have given apart from all parameters whatever you told me. Forget about those things. If you see, if you will be said to rate them, Godrej, then Samsung, LG, Hitachi, whatever. Where you will place Godrej?
Okay, if you're talking about particular category
Yeah.
like
No, no, not at all.
refrigerator or
Overall,
such.
overall brand.
Okay. Overall, if you see, I will rate Samsung as the first because you have a wide range of things into Samsung. Like each and everything is provided by Samsung. Anything you name, anything in electronics, and Samsung is providing.
Okay.
So obviously their network is very good. And for me, service, since I told you that servicing is the major criteria, so I will rate Samsung as the first one. Godrej obviously then second because of its again network and all that. Quality obviously. I would rate LG at the third.
Okay. So have you heard about Godrej Eon?
Yes, I have heard.
So what's your view on that? Godrej and Godrej Eon. What's the major any differences you can?
No, I have just heard. I haven't read about this. What is the difference between normal Godrej and normal Eon? So.
Okay, okay. So you are in near future you are going to purchase every refrigerator and also definitely will go for
Yes.
those parameters.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil.
Thanks, Anuj.